welcome to our February Take and Make for Blackstone Teen Services. Hopefully you've already come down to the library to pick up a Take and Make bag. We set them out once a month, every month, so you have a chance to create something new. If you haven't come down to the library yet, you're welcome to come and pick one up while supplies last. If they're already gone when you get here, you are welcome to put together the ingredients. We'll tell you what's in the kit so you can make your own. This month, the project that we're going to do together is a DIY cookie dough sugar scrub for your face and body. So I hope you guys are excited to get started and try something new. The only thing you're going to need from home is a bowl of very warm water. That's it. In your kit, you'll see this month we have 2 different kinds of sugar. You've got a bag of white sugar and a bag of brown sugar. You've also got kind of a messy, sloshy bag of coconut oil. Coconut oil is solid when it's at room temperature. You can see it's kind of smushy and white, but when it gets warm, it's going to melt, and it'll be a lot easier to work with once it has a chance to melt. So, if you have a bowl of warm water, and you put your container of coconut oil into it, you can see my water is not so warm I can't put my fingers in it, and already my coconut oil is starting to get very melty. So if you let that sit for a few minutes, the bag is still sealed. The whole idea is that we want it to be as soft as possible. It doesn't have to be all the way melted, but it'll be easier to work with the softer we let it get. This is a really easy kit. It's a really easy project this month, but it's something that you can hopefully do in the future if you wanted to have softer skin on your face or your body. So without opening your bag, you can smush this oil up and it'll melt into a liquid that'll be a little bit easier for us to work with. The hardest part of this entire craft this month is going to be not making a huge mess with your coconut oil. We're going to try to keep everything really well contained this month by pouring all of the other ingredients into the oil bag, and then you can smush it up in the bag and you'll be good to go. For anybody who's participating at home and didn't come to the library to get a kit, that's about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a tablespoon each of 2 different kinds of sugar. So altogether, we're using equal parts of the oil and the sugar. If you wanted to make a scrub for your face, you would want it to be a little bit more gentle. So you could use about half of each of the sugars and the oil. So the rate would be 1 part sugar to 2 parts oil. What we're doing right now is a scrub that will be for any part of your body. You could use it on your hands if they're starting to get a little dry from the winter. I know mine are. If you wanted to make the same scrub and you wanted it to be something even scrubbier that you could even use on your feet, if your feet are a little bit dry and you want to get them ready for the beach, I know I'm ready for spring, you could do the exact same thing, but add a little bit of extra sugar to it so it's even scrubbier. Remember not to use anything too harsh or too scrubby on your face. I don't want anybody to hurt their skin. You can always use just a little bit and test it and see how your personal skin reacts to it. If your skin is really sensitive, then you might not want to use quite as much sugar. I'm going to use this on my hands, so I'm going to use all of the white sugar and all of the brown sugar. And I'm going to pour it all in to my coconut oil. Like I said, we're trying to keep everything kind of contained this month because it could be a really big sticky mess otherwise. And you could do this in a bowl and just do a little bit at a time. But what we're going to do is create it all in this bag. And since we create the whole thing in the bag, you can use as much of it as you want and keep the rest in the fridge. I would say use it within a week. Now again, remember the recipe we just used was 1 part oil to 1 part sugar. So we used a tablespoon of white sugar, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil that we're using is organic, fair trade coconut oil. And this is an easy way that you can make a face product or a product that you can use on your whole body that's vegan and all natural instead of buying something from the store. You can store it in the fridge. Like I said, I wouldn't store it more than a week. I plan to use it pretty quick. But when you take out the scrub that's inside, you can use that and rub it right into your skin. So you can see my hands are still sticky with coconut oil and sugar. The reason we call it sugar cookie body scrub is because if you smell your hands at this point, not only do they smell like cookie dough, but they also taste like cookie dough. I wouldn't recommend you eat the whole container. It's only meant to scrub your skin, but it's made of all natural ingredients. So if you wanted to taste it, it's safe to taste too. Thanks for joining us, guys. Bye-bye.